Welcome back to our digital class. And how you're doing? How have you been at home? Hope people have been able to attend the class, watch the classes, watch the lessons, watch the videos. And hope you do pay attention while the class is going on. Good. Welcome to third term, the third week of the term. Right now, we'll be studying mathematics. What did I say the subject is? Mathematics. And the topic under mathematics is comparing areas of surface. Comparing areas of surface. Comparing outside parts of any objects, like shapes, like buckets, like any object, comparing the outside part of it. Okay? For example, comparing two buckets to know the one that has a larger surface to the other. Okay? So that is what we are going to be learning. Alright. Now I wrote that we compare the sizes of two surfaces to know which one has a smaller or larger area than the other. That is why we compare them. We compare them to know the one that will contain, remember we learned capacity. There I showed the materials or the containers that can contain things more than the other. Alright, we drew some containers on that topic, that capacity. So today we are comparing two surfaces. Alright, we are comparing two surfaces. I gave some example. These are the example. I drew two buckets. Me looking at it, you don't need to pour anything inside the bucket to know that this one is larger than this. Me looking at it here, you can tell. Me looking at it, you can tell that A is larger than B. Remember, it's the surface now that we are comparing. We are comparing the outer parts of it. So me looking at this, you know that this is larger than this. And me looking at these two balls here, you know that this B is larger than A. Okay? You don't need any measurements to tell you that this is larger than this. Alright? Remember, what we are doing is we are comparing two objects, especially similar objects, to know the one that is larger than the other. Number one, here I drew two buckets. Me looking at it, you know that A is larger than B. And number two, here I drew two balls. Me looking at it, you know that B here is larger than A. Okay? If number one here, if this bucket will contain like 5 liters of water, this one will contain like 2 liters. Do you understand? That is how this ball. If the men, you know, the people we call men, can be playing the big ball, will be playing the big ball. The children will be playing the small ball. Okay? So that is how it goes. Alright? Now, let's go through the lesson one more time. The topic is comparing areas of surfaces. And I said on my notes, we compare the sizes of two surfaces to know which one has a smaller or larger area than the other. When the two surfaces have the same size, we say that they have the same area. Okay? Area. We say they have the same area. And I gave these examples. So on your own now, you're going to do this for me. See how I did mine. I said A is larger than B. B is smaller than A. So that is what I expect you to do here. Okay? If B is larger, you write it down for me. If it's A that is larger, you write it. Alright? So, and On your homework, I have one that are on the same size. They are equal. So please help me show the one that is equal. Thank you and see you in the next class.